Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my Shopee, available ng mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what is coming to you ngayong January 2024 for Aquarius. Oh, new beginnings. Yes, this really makes sense because ngayong January, Pluto is entering Aquarius, and it's about death and rebirth, no? Endings and new beginnings. Wow. So you are entering a new chapter in your life. This is major transformation. Tingnan natin kung anong area of life for some of you. Uy, sa career. Wow. So, sa trabaho, sa career, sa finances ninyo. Sa business, yung iba, pwedeng merong bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, you know, may bagong experience sa inyong career. Let's see what else. You are going to shine. Oh, Aquarius. Mas marami kayong ma-attract ngayon ng January, no? You are going to be a center of attention. You will shine dahil you are showing your talents, your skills, or maraming makakapansin sa'yo, maraming admiration, and you are finally going to take action. Whatever yung mga plano mo na hindi mo natutuloy-tuloy nung nakaraang taon, I mean, nung 2023, pagdating ng January, you will finally do it. You will take action. You have the lakas ng loob to make things happen. So let's see your overall energy. What is the overall energy for Aquarius? You have the Hermit. O yung iba sa inyo, kailangan yung gawin to on your own. Yes. So, minsan kasi, mas nagagawa natin yung bagay na gusto natin kapag tayo lang Kapag tayo lang yung magde-decide, walang nakikialam, hindi tayo nagre-rely sa decision ng iba. Oo. So, mas maganda ring, parang kumbaga for you, mas maganda na you are on your own. Diba? You have your own mga decisions, ganyan. And this is also soul-searching, self-reflection. You have the 7 of Cups. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, meron kayong major decision na gagawin. Oo. Kung ano tong tatapusin mo, ano tong sisimulan mo. And I think, magkakaroon ka na ng clarity, no? Ngayong January, ano man tong ipupursue mo. Yung iba iiwas muna sa sa maraming tao. Or parang iiwas ka muna sa impluwensya ng ibang tao para makapag-desisyon ka ng talagang best for you. So, let's see your challenge. Your challenge is the 10 of Wands. Maraming trabaho, maraming responsibilities, no? Ngayong January, mukhang marami kang kailangang asikasuhin, pero kaya mo naman. Someone is also willing to help you. Kumbaga may nakasupport sa'yo, may nag-i-inspire din sa'yo. Yes, speaking of kaya mo, you have the Strength card. You have what it takes. You have all the strength that you need to make things happen. Oo. Kailangan lang talaga na i-motivate mo rin yung sarili mo na kaya mo. Sabihin mo, self, I can do this. I can make it happen. So, your opportunity, what is the opportunity? You have the 10 of Cups. Oh, you have the opportunity to spend more time with your family, going out together, literal na pagpipiknik, no, sa tabing ilog. Yung iba naman, you will prioritize your family, yung needs ng family mo. I think for you, importante rin yung yung hindi lang pera, no? Importante rin sa'yo yung meron kang sapat na panahon sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, kung nung nakaraan hindi ka masyadong nag-spend ng time with your loved ones, so ngayong January, you have the opportunity to spend more time with them. Yung iba, magbabakasyon, oo, or meron kayong pupuntahang lugar na kung saan mas makakapag-bonding kayo as a family. You also have the Eight of Swords. Yes, kasi I think may limitations, no? Pwedeng, may mga, ito nga, marami kang mga responsibilities, marami kang trabaho, so challenge sa'yo yan. Kaya parang, pwedeng nagde-demand na sa'yo yung family mo na, oh, bigyan nyo naman kami ng time, ganyan. So, yes, you will be able to find time. You will get away from this frustration. And then, your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Aquarius? Ooh, Eight of Cups. Ang blessing sa inyo is kung ano yung iiwanan ninyo. No? Whatever this is na kailangan yung iwanan, talikuran, para sa bagong opportunity, yun yung blessing. Kumbaga, hindi kayo nagkamali. O, diba? Ace of Cups. New opportunities, new beginnings that will fulfill your dreams or magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. Yung iba sa inyo, if this is a relationship na iiwanan ninyo, or connection, partnership, friendship, ano siya makakabuti sa'yo because you feel like, hindi na talaga siya magwo-work or pwedeng hindi na kayo in a good situation with this person. Pwede ring work ito, no? Trabaho, career na sa tingin mo hindi ka na nag-grow. So, whatever this is you are leaving, merong kapalit, no? Merong kapalit na bago na mas magbibigay sa iyo ng happiness, ng fulfillment. Some of you, this is a new relationship. Yung may mga iniwan na relationship or nag-close na chapter sa relationship ninyo. You are destined to meet someone na kung saan mas magbibigay sa iyo ng happiness, ng satisfaction in love. So, pagdating naman sa money, career, finances, you have talents in communication, no? Pwedeng public speaking through different forms different forms of communication through writing, content creation. Ayan, marami kang talent na may explore. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. Speaking of exploration, so I think you are going to explore a new path pagdating sa trabaho, sa career. This can be a new business or pwedeng totally different na field, no? Or industriya na gusto mong subukan. You also have harmony. So, ito, marami kang friends, marami kang connections ngayon na makakatulong sa'yo para mas lalo mong mapaunlad yung iyong kabuhayan. Sabi nga, your network is your net worth. Ayan, the more na marami kang connections, mas malaki yung chance na mas mag-grow ka, especially in business or even sa trabaho kasi pwedeng may mga referrals dyan or yung kakilala mo, i-refer ka sa ibang company or pagdating naman sa business, maraming exposure, pwedeng maraming tutulong sa'yo na mapaunlad mo yung business mo. Sa relationship naman, okay, meron daw chance. I think, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong maayos na relationship, na connection. This can be romantic, pwede ring friendship, or sa family. But yung iba sa inyo, this is a romantic partner na gusto nyo ulit na ibalik kung ano yung nangyari in the past. Ano to di ba yung iba sa inyo merong iniwanan na situation, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng opportunity na bumalik uli sa buhay nyo yung person ninyo from the past. Hindi yung recent na iniwanan, no? So, pwedeng makikita nyo yan randomly sa isang place na pupuntahan nyo for vacation. So, uncover the deity within. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong transformation, yung beginnings, pagdating sa physical appearance ninyo, or mismong sa, self-expression, pananaw nyo sa buhay. Yung iba, mas magiging very, tawag dyan, pagdating sa pag-express ng sarili mo, like, pananamit mo, meron kang babaguhin, merong glow up, no? For some of you, there's going to be a major glow up for your parang the way you present yourself. And I think that's the reason why you're going to shine and you will attract new friends, new connections, new acquaintances that may lead to a new relationship, okay, or other opportunities. So that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.